Hello, homies. Today I'm going to talk about how my school had a fire drill, and it was not a drill. It was real, and they said it was a false alarm. Now, I don't want to get real into much detail, but I'm going to tell you what happened. Okay, so, firstly, what happened is, when I'm trying to remember because it was like, hold on. Okay, I thought of it. Anyways, we were in the classroom chilling, just drawing. Just working as usual. And what I tell you, you're probably not gonna believe. We had to get into groups, and y'all know Stella from my other video, right? Y'all know 𝚊𝚕𝚊𝚘𝚗𝚝. She was homeschooled. Yeah. Anyways, back to the story. She had a little thing in her room. In the classroom desks, she always wrote a note to her friends, because her friends always at her desk. Anyways, she homeschooled, right? Back to the story. We were just like chilling, and then group time was over. We got into MTSS, and then the fire alarm. Now, I am pretty scared because I don't like fires. Like, literally. If I like fires, you're wrong. You've never, ever, ever been to my house. Like, never. Like, seriously, why? Why would we have to get here? Anyways, we had to go into flammable grass and wait till the fire drill was over. And then they said it was a false alarm, and they put us back inside, but the fire drill was still going off. Now, one of my classmates, let's just call him James. James said that a hacker probably hacked the school alarm and literally just, hacked the alarm to make it sound off for 2 hours. 2 hours, guys. 2 hours. I was basically scared, but I didn't believe that, so I kept asking let's just call her, Miss Principal, yeah. Because I don't want to say her real name. So anyways, Miss Principal, I talked to her about Jack saying that some hacker pulled the fire alarm, and she said she's still working on it. Now, I don't know what's happening, but every student in the school asks her. We had to go to the Thomas's full room and talk. Yeah, so that's what happened. Now, make sure have a good day, because I am scared of fires. I think I already said that. Anyways, I'm not gonna edit this on CapCut, so bye.